Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video tutorial where we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely hairstyles. Are you guys excited for the same? So let's get started. Here we have created a lovely looking bun like this. Now what are we gonna do? We have to get the hair, roll them up in this manner and get it beautifully secured in this way. This is gonna look amazing. You have to just get the hair, partition it from the middle and then roll them up further in this manner to get it made beautifully amazing. And then you're gonna make this and then secure them up in this manner. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we up to? You have to get the bun, knead it in this manner and then this is gonna look amazing. Further here you're gonna make this happen and then what are we up to? You have to roll your hair further, get them made in this way and then get these rubber bands made in this manner. Isn't it cool enough? Now further what are we up to? You have to get the hair, roll them up in this way and then beautifully secure them in this manner and these are gonna look damn pretty and amazing. Further here you need to just roll your hair further in this way, get it beautifully arranged in this manner. What are we going to do further? You have to split it from the middle and get it rolled and secured in this way. And then you're going to attach them further in this way and get the bobby pins. Beautifully you're going to secure it in this manner. Now proceeding, what are we going to do next? You have to just roll your hair further, get it beautifully arranged in this way and you're going to attach them with the help of these clutches. Thank you guys for watching our videos.